Living in Kendall means enjoying sunshine, warm weather, and vibrant neighborhoods, but it also means preparing for hurricane season. Strong storms, high winds, and flying debris are a reality in South Florida, and protecting your home starts with securing its most vulnerable entry points. One of the most important upgrades you can make is installing impact doors. Impact doors are specifically engineered to withstand extreme weather conditions while improving security, energy efficiency, and overall home value. For homeowners in Kendall, they are more than a luxury, they're a necessity. Protection during hurricane season. Kendall homes face the risk of powerful storms each year. Standard exterior doors may not be built to handle hurricane-force winds or debris impacts. If a door fails during a storm, it can allow wind pressure to build inside the home, potentially causing extensive structural damage. Impact doors are constructed with reinforced materials such as steel or fiberglass cores and heavy-duty frames. Many feature laminated impact-resistant glass that is designed to remain intact even if cracked. When struck by debris, the glass may break but will stay bonded to an inner layer, preventing dangerous shards from flying and reducing the chance of wind and rain entering your home. Meeting Florida's building codes. South Florida has some of the strictest building codes in the country when it comes to storm protection. Impact doors are designed to meet or exceed these regulations. By upgrading to impact-rated doors, you ensure your home is compliant with local standards. This can be especially important if you're renovating, selling, or updating insurance coverage. Choosing code-compliant impact doors gives you peace of mind knowing your home is prepared for severe weather. Enhanced home security year-round. While storm protection is the primary reason many Kendall homeowners invest in impact doors, security benefits extend beyond hurricane season. Impact doors are built with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and durable materials that make forced entry significantly more difficult. Whether you're home or away, this added level of security provides confidence that your family and belongings are better protected. Improved energy efficiency. Kendall's warm climate means air conditioning systems run frequently throughout the year. Older doors with worn seals or thin materials can allow heat and humidity to enter your home. Modern impact doors are designed with insulated cores and tight weather stripping that help regulate indoor temperatures. Impact-rated glass often includes energy-efficient coatings that reduce solar heat gain. By keeping cool air inside and hot air outside, impact doors can help lower energy bills and improve overall comfort. Protection from UV damage. South Florida sunlight can be intense. Over time, UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and decor near entryways. Many impact doors include laminated glass that filters out a significant portion of harmful UV rays. This added protection helps preserve your interior finishes while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. Increased property value. Impact doors are considered a valuable upgrade in Kendall's housing market. Buyers recognize the importance of hurricane protection and energy efficiency. Installing impact doors can enhance your home's curb appeal and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, you're investing in long-term value. Stylish options without sacrificing strength. Impact doors are available in a wide range of styles, finishes, and decorative glass options. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look or a classic paneled design, there are impact-rated doors that complement your home's architecture. You don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for safety. A necessary investment for Kendall homes. Impact doors provide critical protection against storms, enhance security, improve energy efficiency, and boost property value. In Kendall, where hurricane preparedness is essential, they are one of the smartest upgrades you can make. By installing impact doors, you're protecting your home, your investment, and most importantly, your family, no matter what the weather brings.